Alright, y'all. I decided to do a quick video because I've been hearing a lot of health benefits of celery juice. So I just took a small bunch of celery and cut it up and put it into my blender here. And I'm going to mix it up and I'm going to see if it works because I don't have a juicer. But I do have this blender / extractor, which has always worked for me with making juices and such. Do I have it turned wrong? Sorry. Why isn't that going in? Oh. I'm wondering why it's not fitting. Something's stuck in there. That's the lid, so you can drink straight from the cup a little better. Okay. So let's see how this turns out. Perhaps I need to add a little water to it. Let's do that. Alright, let's take this thing off. Let's add a little water. A couple tablespoons. I thought the celery would have enough water in it. Alright, to do it, but there we go. Alright, now let's see what we got here. That looks a little thick. Okay. Oh, that's really thick. Let me add a little more water to it. And then I'll see what it tastes like. You add a splash of salt and pepper. Alright, let's see. Alright, that might be a little better. Let me change the angle here. Yeah, I got all my stuff on the counter. So, like I said, I wasn't planning on filming today. But I wanted to share this experiment with you. So, oof, I got that on kind of tight. Let's pull that off. Shake it. Don't break it. Oops. Shake it. Don't break it. Alright. And then I like this container. Actually, you could take this to go. And they actually have smaller. I have a bigger one of these too. Alright, so let me get my cup. Pour a little in. Oh, that's still really thick. I might... Huh. It doesn't taste bad, but I think I'm going to add some more water to it. Be right back. And I'm back. So I'm going to add like a whole cup of water to this and see what I get. Alright. Let's put this back on the thing here. Ooh. Am I leaking? No, I'm good. Maybe. Okay, one more twist. So let's see what I got here. Okay. Now that looks more drinkable. Oh yeah. Guess I should have put the lid on, but okay. Ching ching, as they'd say in France. It's actually not bad. I could chug this down. Okay. So, not bad. Celery juice made at home. Even though it has the pulp is not that bad because I mixed it. Actually, I guess I would say like almost a cup and a half, well, maybe a cup and a half of water with this one. And it's a good consistency. And the celery, it doesn't really have a lot of taste. So I could see drinking this on a regular. All right. Well, thanks for sharing this experiment with me. And thanks for stopping by. Any recipe requests? Watch some of my playlists. And I'll see you next time.